students. Hope all are safe and happy in your home. Welcome to our English class. My dear children, first we can do an activity here. This is a very simple activity that is on page number 21. Look at the following word card. You can see here two boxes. In the first box, they given the points here. Based on these points, you can write answers in the blank spaces. First one, they given a word here. Which is a word here? Foolish. And which category this word belongs to? It is an adjective. And what is a synonym of this word? Four synonyms are here: silly, stupid, idiotic, witless. What is the meaning of synonym? Synonym means meanings. Okay, these are the meanings of the word foolish. Next one, antonym. Hope you understood the meaning of the word antonym. Antonym means, yes, opposite. So what is the opposite of the word foolish? Wise. All of you understood this much. Next point, sentence using the word or synonyms. You can make a sentence with this word, either with this word or with this synonym. He is a foolish fellow. Simple sentence you can make with these words. All of you understood? Next one, sentence using the antonym. With this antonym, we can make a simple sentence. How can we make a simple sentence? All of you find it? Okay, very simple one. He is a wise man. Do you got it? Okay. The last point, an activity with the word. We can do an activity with this word. What is activity? Make meaningful words by suffixing or prefixing the word. What do you mean by suffix or prefix? Suffix means a group of letters we can add after a word. Prefix means we can add group of letters before a word. Is it clear, my dear ones? Example, foolishness. Foolish plus ness. So what is it? Is it a prefix or suffix? It is a suffix. I will give one more example to you. Another word I will give to you. The word is, a simple word we can take it. What is it? Friend. Which category this word friend belongs to? Is it an adjective, verb or a noun? Yes, it is a noun. Yes, very good. What is the synonym of this word friend? I think all of you know it very well. What is the synonym? Yes, companion. What is the meaning of this word friend? Companion. Okay, my dear ones. Next, what is the antonym of this word friend? Antonym means, yes, opposite. What is the opposite of the word friend? Enemy. Okay. Then, can you make a sentence using this word or a synonym? Can you make a sentence? Yes. What is the sentence? This is my companion. Arun. Simple one. Okay, this is my companion Arun. Next one, can you frame another sentence with antonym? Sentence using the antonym. He has a lot of enemies in his company. he has a lot of enemies in his company. Is it clear? Okay. Next, we can do an activity with the word. That means we can add a suffix or a prefix with this word friend. Can you find out? Yes. What is it? Friendship. Okay. We add a suffix with this word friendship. Friend plus ship, friendship. Do you understand? I hope all of you understood this word card. This is very easy activity. You can find out 3 words from your text and you can take this as a homework and do it in your notebook. Okay. So, after this you can see a question. Prepare more word cards by picking words from the lesson. You don't want to hear and therefore searching these words. You will get these words from your lesson itself. I hope all of you understood this one. Okay, let's move to our lesson. Do you remember what all incidents happened in the story? Yes, what is it? A deadly fight between a little mongoose and a huge cobra. Both the fighters were clever, skillful and aggressive too. Do you remember all these points? Yes. Who were the spectators? Besides the boy, a myna and crow were the spectators. Who won the battle? Yes, our little mongoose won the battle. And it killed the huge black cobra. Do you remember all these things? Okay, my dear ones, let's move to our passage. After the fight, the boy came down from the banyan tree and he returned to his house. And what all things are happening after reading this passage, you will understand. Can we read it? When I had also made a cautious descent from the tree and returned to the house, I told grandfather of the fight I had seen. He was pleased that the mongoose had won. He had encouraged it to live in the garden, to keep away the snakes, and fed it regularly with the scraps from the kitchen. He had never tried taming it because wild mongoose was more useful than a domesticated one. Do you understand, my dear ones? Yes, I will explain to you. When I had also made a cautious descent from the tree. Who is I here? Yes, I is the boy. The boy came down after the fight, came down from the banyan tree and returned to his house, and he narrated the whole incident to his grandfather. And the grandfather was extremely happy. What was the reason? Because the mongoose had killed the huge black cobra from their garden. So, what did the grandfather do? He had encouraged the little mongoose to live in the garden, to keep away the snakes, and fed it regularly with food from the kitchen. Do you understand? The grandfather was really happy and he allowed the mongoose to live in his garden and he is providing food from the kitchen. He had never tried taming it. What is the meaning of taming? Taming means make friendship or patter. Okay? Because wild mongoose was more useful than a domesticated one. It means a tamed mongoose will not kill cobras as that of undomesticated one. Okay. Can we move to our comprehension questions? First one, why was his grandfather pleased to hear that mongoose had won the fight? Grandfather was pleased because the mongoose had killed the huge black cobra. This is a simple answer, you can write yourself. Do you got it? Next question, what prevented grandfather from taming the mongoose? the grandfather didn't try to tame the mongoose because he knew very well that yes, wild mongoose was more useful to keep away the snakes than a domesticated one. What was the reason? Because wild mongoose was more useful to keep away the snakes than a domesticated one. All of you understood this one? Can we move to the next paragraph? So we understood that this mongoose just enjoyed the life in the garden. Okay? Are you eager to know what are the fun performed by this mongoose in the garden? We can read this paragraph and you will understand it. Okay? From the banyan tree, I often saw the mongoose patrolling the four corners of the garden, and once I saw him with an egg in his mouth and knew he had been in the poultry house, but he hadn't harmed the birds, and I knew grandmother would forgive him for stealing as long as he kept the snakes away from the house. Yes, what is it? One day the boy saw the mongoose was walking here and there in the garden, but he saw an egg in his mouth. So the boy understood that he went to the poultry house and stolen eggs from the cage of the birds. Do you got it? What is the meaning of poultry house? Poultry house means a cage where hens live. Got it? Okay. So the boy thought that his grandmother threw him from their house. But what did the grandmother do? Grandmother would forgive him for stealing as long as he kept the snakes away from the house. Okay? So what was the fun the mongoose created in the garden? Mongoose patrolling the four corners of the garden, and he went to the poultry house and stolen the eggs, but he hadn't harmed the birds, and grandmother would forgive him. Okay, because he kept the snakes away from their house. Okay, my dear ones, do you understand this paragraph? Can we move to the next one? Are you eager to know the rest of the story? Okay? Yes. The first sentence, can we begin? The banyan tree was also the setting for what we were to call the strange case of the grey squirrel and the white rat. Do you understood what is a grey squirrel and a white rat? Okay? So, we already heard the story of the banyan tree. Another story was also happened here. Okay? See these two pictures? It is very cute, this white mouse, isn't it? And can you see a grey squirrel? Do you like these two ones? Yes. So, what is it? A strange affair was there with this grey squirrel and a white rat. The white rat was grandfather's. He had bought it from the bazaar for 4 annas. But I would often take it with me into the roots and branches of the old tree. Banyan tree where it soon struck up a friendship with one of the squirrels. They would go off together on little excursions among the branches. So the banyan tree was also had another story. The strange affair between the grey squirrel and the white rat. The white rat was bought by grandfather from the market for 4 annas. How many annas? 4 annas. And the boy often take this white mouse to the branches of the banyan tree. And one day when the mouse was sitting on the tree, it had a close friendship with one of the squirrels. What happened after that? They would go off together on little excursions among the branches. That means they go for small tour among the banyan tree, up and down. Okay. Can we move to the comprehension questions? How did the boy know that the mongoose had the habit of visiting the poultry house? One day, the boy saw the mongoose patrolling the four corners of the garden, and he saw the mongoose with an egg in his mouth. So the boy understood. He went to the poultry house and stolen the eggs. Why would grandmother forgive the mongoose for stealing the eggs? Grandmother would forgive him for stealing as long as he kept the snakes away from the house. And the third question from the second paragraph, who was the new friend of the squirrel? Yes, the white rat was the new friend of the squirrel. How did they enjoy their friendship? They enjoyed their friendship by going off together on little excursions among the branches. Okay, my dear ones, you can write the comprehension questions in your notebook and learn it well. I am going to wind up my class. We will meet in the next class. Thank you all.